kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I will show you a demo of my new GPS app which I have created. Okay, so let's here is the source code of my application. So let me open my Android phone and let me connect it. Okay, so now it's connected. Let's open the app and I show you. This is the app, Mini Pocket GPS. Alright, so I know that the design is not as much good, but I tried my best to make a beautiful design. Alright guys, so here about developer, first of all let me show you my information. So if I click that, there is an ad. So here you can see this is my contact information. If you have any question, or if you want to buy the source code, or if you want to take the source code from me, you can contact me here. Alright, also what you can do, so first of all let me show you the first feature which I have is my location. Alright, so first of all let me change my location. Alright, because I don't want to show you my current location or my home address. So for that I will select the mock GPS emulator. Alright, and let me open the GPS emulator app from there. Here you go. So now from there I can select, let's say, London. Alright, and I click on search. So here you go, we are now in London. So now let's select that.
Hello everyone, taking out time for yourself.
Alright, so let's close, and now let's open the application. Alright, so if I don't have my location turned on, so it won't work. Okay, so you must switch on your GPS. Okay, so now I have switched on the GPS. Alright, so if I click on my location, okay, and let's close the ad. Here you can see my current location. Alright, and from there you have two options, either of satellite view. Alright, and this is for traffic. Alright, so now go back. The second feature which I have is street view. So you can see the street view 3D live view of any place. Okay, so by default it's not showing here, so here I search, so let's say London. So if I click here, so now you can see this is the street view. Alright, and also another thing which I want to show you is nearby places. Okay, find nearby places around you. So you click there and click on back. Okay, so now here you have this all the here. Alright, so let's say if we want to know the restaurants around me. Okay, so I will click on restaurants, and here you go. Now you are able to see many restaurants nearby. Okay, so here you can see. So let's say if I want to go to that McDonald's. Okay, so I will click on that, and here you will be able to see multiple direction. Okay, these are the two ways. Blue one is the shortest way, and this black one is the second route. Okay, so if you want to, here you can see the distance is 2.6 kilometer and duration is 10 minutes. Okay, so if you want, click on navigate. So now the Google Maps will be opened, and you can start your navigation. Alright guys,
Head northeast.
so let's close that. And if you want to know the petrol stations, so you will get all the petrol station around you, wherever you want to go, you just select that and it will show you the time and duration. Alright guys, the next thing which I want to show is route finder. Okay, so you can find the route of any place you want. Okay, so the good feature which I have introduced in this app is that if you move this, you can see the marker is moved and the location here is changed. Alright, this is the way. This is the black dot here. Okay, so wherever I want my marker. Okay, so let's say here, and alright, so let's change that to, let's say my destination is Big Ben. Okay, so I write here Big Ben, so I will click that, and here you can see it is showing me the direction, okay, the distance, duration, and if I click on navigate, so the navigation will be started. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you want to get the source code, please comment down below. Thank you, goodbye.